What's going on, guys? So today is an exciting day. Today is a really exciting day because right now, right here, we have the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I can't believe I said that, right? Let's do it. Let's start unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro in gold. This is going to be my daily driver, so I'm super excited to actually unbox this. Apple's just right on back. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. That never gets old, honestly. It's so satisfying. What the heck? There's no design by Apple in California. Oh, look at that. That's actually pretty cool. You've got like a camera bump in the actual packaging. That looks really good, everybody. That looks really good. It just looks like a really premium device, and I hate Europe. In Europe, we have this what do you call it? This warranty. I don't even know. But it's honestly pretty sad because in America, you guys don't have this. And I guess we don't have plastic, and we don't have plastic in the back, which is pretty interesting. Let's do it. Oh, and you've actually got the Apple address. That's pretty cool. The Apple address in the actual screen protector. Anyways, never gets old as well. Let's see what else is in the packaging. Let's see what else is in the packaging. We've got designed by Apple in California as well. Usually we have this on the top. And hold on, we'll get into that in just a second. But don't forget that we always get this famous paperwork. We've got ciao, we've got hola, we've got hola, we've got the SIM tool, stupid stuff, warranty info, and the one and only Apple stickers. And let's do it. This is what we all wanted. What we all wanted on an iPhone. We wanted fast charging. Finally. I mean, we finally get fast charging in the box. You actually do not get that on the iPhone 11, which is kind of sad. And we also get Lightning earpods, not AirPods. Apple is not treating us nicely. And then we also get Lightning to USB-C. So just by doing just like that, now we get USB-C over here and then Lightning over here. All right, let's go ahead and unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is a 6.5-inch display. Super excited to do this as well. Don't forget that the iPhone 11 Pro has an A13 chip, which looks amazing. Oh my gosh. What the heck? People on YouTube said, MKBHD even said that this iPhone did not look green. This looks green to me. What the heck? All right. Let's do that again. This looks seriously super green. And by the way, I really like the feeling of this phone. Yes, the iPhone XS is way much grippier, but this isn't slippery either, and it feels premium. I feel like it's a little bit heavier. Is it heavier? Yeah, it's heavier, and it's definitely thicker, but I mean, it's nothing to really notice. The cameras, let's go ahead and check out the cameras. I mean, okay, fine. Let's unbox everything. Fine. Boom, boom. Okay, you know the drill, right? Sorry, I dropped everything. All right, let's take a look at the cameras. Are they the prettiest cameras in the world? No. Not really. It's got a 12 megapixel. We've got a 12 megapixel camera. We've got an ultra wide, and telephoto cameras, and we get night mode now, which is super exciting as well. So probably the most exciting thing that I want to check out on these phones are, well, this is the iPhone Pro, right? These phones are supposed to be Pro. I'm really interested to see if, this is actually gonna happen, if these phones will feel like a Pro device, because, when Apple released the iPad Pro, by the way, why aren't these phones turning on? There we go. Come on, Max. Buddy, you're not turning on. Hello? There we go. Yeah, what I was saying, the iPad Pro, when it was released, it didn't feel like, like a Pro device. Sure, it had the keyboard and it had everything, but it just didn't feel like an iPad Pro until now iPadOS was released. So I feel like this will be kind of my opinion. I mean, I'll see. Maybe the cameras are like spectacular and I'll change my opinion, but I'll see. I'll see if this is like mind-breaking, and I'll see. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro and of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Once again, this is the midnight green and the gold colors. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have pre-ordered or if you guys just purchased the iPhone 11 Pro or the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And let me know, please. I'm really interested. I want to interact with you guys. I will be down here in the comment section for the first couple of hours of unboxing this video. I want to know, what color did you get? What configuration did you get? So yeah, I'll see you. No, actually, let's do this. Apple Watch Series 5. Let's do this. So, yeah. If you guys want to see me unboxing this guy, the Apple Watch Series 5, you know the drill. You know the drill. Just, come on. You want to see the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5. Just click this. You know you want to. Apple's even saying you should. Come on. Do it! I'm going to get mad at you. Just Please, now, do it. Gosh.